guys, and welcome back to my channel. Today's video is a makeup tutorial on this look right here. This is just a really pretty soft glam look that's perfect for fall. It's also perfect for Thanksgiving, or if you just have any holiday parties coming up, because we are slowly approaching the holiday season. This look would be really pretty for that as well. I just love how it turned out. To create this look, I used the J.Cat Beauty Sunset Boulevard palette. I love this palette. It is one of my favorites. I'll leave a link down below for where you can get it, because you can get it from Ulta and I'm pretty sure Hush.com. I got mine from Harmon's. And I will also leave a link down below for my review and swatch video of this, because I've heard their palettes are kind of hit or miss, but I really enjoy this one. The shadows are gorgeous. They're great. So if you guys want to see how I got this look, then keep watching. Okay, so this is what the Sunset Boulevard palette looks like if you've never seen it before. So first I'm going to take SB2 and pop this in the crease. I'm calling them SB and then a number because that's just how they're named on the palettes. And I'm sorry about the lighting in this video. It was just progressively getting darker outside as I was filming, and I tried fixing it as best as I could. So next I'm taking SB2 and SB10 and popping that in the crease. SB10 is just like a darker shade of SB2 essentially, and they just make a really pretty crease combo. Next I'm going to be taking SB11, which is a really nice dark brown. It's kind of like lighter than a chocolate brown just by a little tad, and I'm just popping this in the crease to add some depth. Then I'm going back in with SB10 again, and I'm just putting this on the lower lash line. And then I'm going back in with SB2 and SB10, and I'm popping those on the lower lash line as well with this big fluffy brush from BH Cosmetics. I've been loving doing this, just like creating a little C going from my lower lash line to my crease. I just love how it looks. Now I'm going in with SB3 and I'm patting this on the lid. It's just like a nice warm brown shade. I love this palette. It is perfect for fall because of all the warm shades. It's just gorgeous. Then I'm going back in with SB10 and I'm putting this on the outer corner. And again, a little bit in the crease as well, as you see here. And I'm just blending everything together so it looks nice. And then I'm going in with my mascaras. So first I'm just curling my lashes, and then I'm going in with my L'Oreal like lash primer stuff. I'll have all the exact names down below in the description, but I love using this. So I'm just applying this and then I'm just letting it dry, and I cut that part out because we would have been here forever if you guys watched it dry. And I'm just using my L'Oreal Lash Paradise. Once the lash primer dries, I actually got this mascara and the primer in like a little gift set together from Walmart. I'm sure CVS had it too at one point. It was a while ago. I had a coupon, so that's why I bought it. And then last, I'm going to be taking my Wet n Wild Voluminous Max Waterproof Mascara. I'll leave all exact names down below, and just putting that on top just to give more volume to my lashes. And then I'm going in with this Ulta retractable black brown eyeliner and putting this in the waterline. I don't know why I did this after mascara. Don't ask. It kind of didn't really show up, but it kind of was there. You could see it better in person. And then I'm just going to go finish up the rest of my face off camera. And then for lips, I'm using this Glow Sticks liquid lipstick in the shade Honey Bun. I got this in a Yes Oh Yes box. I think it was the September one. I really like the shade. It's like a really nice purpley mauvey color. I thought it looked really pretty with this look. Just made it look very fall and glam, and you can pair this look with any lip. This is just the one I chose because it's a nice purple color and it's wearable. It's nothing too crazy, you know? And this is the finished look. I hope you guys enjoyed this tutorial. And that is it for this tutorial. I hope you guys enjoyed it. If you did, please give it a big thumbs up. Don't forget to hit that red button down below to subscribe to my channel. And go follow me on all my social media. That's always linked down below in the description box as well. If you guys have any video suggestions on any videos you want to see next, please let me know in the comments down below. I'm kind of drawing a blank of what to film, number one, and two, I want to just start kind of like uploading more. So if you guys have any suggestions, please let me know in the comments, because I want to just try to give you guys like what you want to see. And yeah, and if you just want to leave a comment saying hey, please do that too. I love getting your comments, and that is all I have to say. So I'll see you guys in the next video. Bye.